Unlock essential government schemes and benefits by mastering the simple process of applying for your income certificate online right from your home. First, you'll need to access the official website of your state's Revenue Department or e-Governance portal. A quick search for your state name Revenue Department official website should lead you to the correct portal. Once on the website, look for a section labeled Citizen Services, Online Applications, or directly for income certificate. Click on the relevant link to proceed. You'll then be directed to the application form. This is where you'll meticulously fill in your personal details, ensure accuracy for your full name, father's name, mother's name, and your residential address. From the available service options, select income certificate. Some portals may require you to create an account or log in if you're a returning user. If it's your first time, you'll likely need to register using your email or mobile number. The next crucial step is uploading your supporting documents. Generally, you'll need clear scanned copies of your Aadhaar card or any other valid photo identity proof. You'll also need proof of income, which could be your latest salary slip, Form 16, or a declaration of income if you're self-employed. Many states have a nominal application fee. Locate the payment gateway option and follow the instructions to pay the required amount. You can typically use net banking, credit cards, or debit cards for this. Upon successful payment, you will receive an application reference number or acknowledgement. It's vital to note this number down or save a screenshot, as it will be used to track your application status. The processing time for an income certificate can vary by state, but it generally ranges from a few days to a couple of weeks. You can usually track your application's progress on the same portal where you applied. Once approved, you'll receive a notification to download your digitally signed income certificate. This is your official document, and it's ready to be used for any purpose. And that's how you effortlessly apply for your income certificate online. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful guides.